Craftsman r110 won't go forward or back.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Craftsman tool or machine? How old is it?
4 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Craftsman? What have you tried so far?
Just started.
Is there anything else the engine expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Engine runs just won't go forward or back.
Hello, my name is I've been a small engine mechanic for 18 years and hopefully I can offer you some assistance with your Craftsman. I see that your engine runs fine but your mower will not move in forward or reverse. Is that correct?
My Craftsman r110 runs fine but won't go forward or back.
Did it stop movement suddenly or did it gradually get slower?
Still moves some if you put it in gear and push it to get it moving.
Okay. It sounds to me like you have an issue with one of your transmission belts. One of them could be stretched or broken.
Can't see any of the belts.
It is a very complicated machine to work on. They are sitting high up on top of the transmission.
It's a rear engine and I don't know how to get to the belts.
You have to remove the rear tires and partially drop the transmission to work on the transmission belts.
The manual I got doesn't show any of that.
You have 2 transmission drive belts that sit on a variator pulley.
How do I get to them?
You will need to remove the mowing deck and the rear tires and then you will be able to access the belts from underneath.
Is it difficult or need special tools?
It is a difficult job. It takes me about 2.5 to 3 hours in my shop.
What would the average cost be at your shop?
If it's the belt, you are looking at about $200 to $250.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.